Imagine this. You wake up tomorrow, fuel prices jump again, traffic is worse than ever, and every car brand is shouting about electric. But there's one new Tesla that might actually make sense for daily life, business use, and even tough Asian roads. This is the 2026 Tesla Model K, and if you skip this video, you might skip the smartest Tesla decision of the year. Let's be real. The Model K is not trying to be flashy like a Model S or controversial like a Cybertruck. This car is about value, efficiency, and practicality. In the USA, the expected starting price is around $42,000, depending on battery and drivetrain. In Japan, pricing converts to roughly 6.5 to 7 million yen. Across ASEAN markets like Indonesia, Thailand, and Malaysia, expect prices in the range of $45,000 to $55,000 after local taxes. That puts the Model K right in the sweet spot for buyers who want Tesla tech without luxury car pricing. Now let's talk about fuel savings, because this is where the Model K quietly destroys traditional cars. Since it's fully electric, your fuel average is basically measured in miles per kilowatt hour. The Model K delivers around 4.5 to 5 miles per kilowatt hour in real-world driving. In simple terms, charging at home in the USA costs about one-third of what you'd spend on gasoline for a similar size SUV or pickup-style vehicle. For Asian markets where fuel is expensive, the savings feel even bigger. Over 5 years, most owners can save $8,000 to $12,000 just on fuel alone. Maintenance is another big win. No engine oil, no spark plugs, no transmission servicing. Basic maintenance is tires, brake fluid, cabin filter, and software updates. Annual maintenance cost stays very low, usually under $400 per year in the USA. In Asian countries, Tesla's simplified design means fewer parts and fewer workshop visits. This is a huge advantage compared to diesel or petrol vehicles that suffer in heavy traffic. Resale value is where Tesla keeps surprising people. Even after 4 to 5 years, Teslas usually retain strong value because of software updates and battery longevity. The Model K is expected to hold around 60 to 65% of its value after 5 years, which is excellent for this price range. For overseas Asian buyers who care about resale, this matters a lot. Performance is simple and practical. In the city, the Model K feels instant. You touch the pedal and it moves. No gears shifting, no noise, no delay. Perfect for stop-and-go traffic in cities like Los Angeles, Jakarta, or Bangkok. On the highway, it's calm and stable. The estimated 0 to 60 time is around 6 seconds, which is more than enough for daily driving and highway overtakes. It's not a sports car, but it never feels slow. Range anxiety? Tesla knows this fear very well. The Model K offers an estimated range of about 330 miles in the long-range version. In real-world driving, expect 280 to 300 miles. That means in the USA, you can drive for days without charging. In Asian cities, one full charge can easily last a full work week. Fast charging is strong too. With a supercharger, you can get about 70% charge in around 25 minutes. Ownership cost is where the Model K becomes very attractive. Insurance in the USA is slightly higher than a regular sedan but still reasonable, especially with Tesla's own insurance program in select states. Parts availability is improving fast. Tesla has expanded service centers in the USA and is rapidly growing in Japan and Southeast Asia. Many parts are shared with other Tesla models, which keeps costs down. Now let's do a quick comparison. Compared to another Tesla like the Model Y, the Model K feels more rugged and utility-focused, with better ground clearance and a tougher suspension setup. Compared to something like the Toyota Hilux, which is extremely popular in Asia, the Model K wins in fuel cost, quiet driving, and technology. The Hilux is tough and reliable, yes, but fuel, maintenance, and emissions costs add up fast. The Model K is cheaper to run, smoother in traffic, and future-proof. Why is this car smart for Asian roads and traffic? Simple. Electric torque helps in overloaded city traffic. No overheating in slow jams. Strong air conditioning powered by the battery. Flat floor means better interior space. The suspension is tuned to handle uneven roads, speed breakers, and potholes better than low-slung sedans. And since electricity is cheaper than fuel in most Asian countries, daily running cost stays low. Inside, the cabin is clean and simple. Big touchscreen, minimal buttons, and lots of storage. For overseas Asian buyers, the tech feels modern but easy to understand. Tesla's software updates mean the car improves over time, not gets outdated. So who should buy the 2026 Tesla Model K? If you want a smart daily car, low running costs, strong resale value, and modern tech without luxury pricing, this makes a lot of sense. It's not about showing off. It's about saving money quietly while enjoying a smooth, stress-free drive. If this video helped you understand whether the Tesla Model K is right for you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. More honest car reviews are coming, and you don't want to miss the next one.